Hey guys, what's going on? Dow Addison, Torpedopot.com, Dow Addison, Torpedopot.com, and we make self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your food in your planter and they grow it for you. We got sunflowers back there growing with tomatoes and carrots. We're going to produce about 150,000 carrot seeds, and peppers are growing, and celery and all of these planters, and okra is growing over here. We normally do about 100 okra per planter. But our focus today is the cucumber. Torpedopot grows food extremely well. All you do is put your seeds in the planter, and it literally grows your food for you. It doesn't need any human intervention. And it normally does pretty well. It's pretty good. We love our cucumbers. And sometimes they may be a little difficult to grow, but you know what? Torpedopot does a great job of setting it and forgetting it. So all you do with your cucumbers is that you put your plants or your seeds in this planter, and then it grows food for you like you've never seen before. Lots and lots of food. So what we're looking at, this is the beginning of this beautiful, beautiful summer. And it's taking off before the summer, which is so cool. I love that. I want it to grow and produce living things for me to eat before the summer, and I love it. And so we're just checking it out right now. Torpedopot grows your food, and I'm trying to figure out which one do I want to pick. Should I pick this right here? It looks about pretty, it's pretty sour. Ooh, very prickly. I think I'm gonna take that off just for you and us to eat and take a look at. See some smaller ones back up in there, but I think that might be the biggest. That would be my first picking for the season. So let's give that a try. Is that okay with you guys? Let's see if we just cut that one out. Guys, these are Torpedopots. You see that knob right there? All you do is put your food in this planter, or put your seeds in this planter, put your plants in the planter, and it grows all types of things that you've never seen before. It's called food, and they look so good. Lots and lots of food. I don't have to do anything. So let's go pick that one off and see what's inside of it. Okay, wow, that looks great. Where do I cut this off at? Right there, you think? Right there, would that do it? Let's try that right there. Is that okay? Yeah, sorry, I think that would do it, right? Okay, let's try it. Wow, now we gotta find out where it rolled down to. Where did it go, guys? Oh my goodness. My food, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Hide way back inside here, dude. What are you doing? Come back out of here. Wow, look at that. That's my first cucumber. Look at that. Man, that's beautiful. I love that. I love that. Man, let's see what she looks like on the inside. You ready? Okay, come on. Let's cut it open. Nice and firm, too. Very, very nice and firm. Small, nice and firm. But you know, I like the small ones because I eat all my squash and everything small because, well, that's when it's the most tender. Let's cut this open. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Food. Food, 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 food. Now the question is that these Torpedopots grow your food with no human intervention. So the question is, how much food are you really growing? So we need to estimate. We have 4 planters here, 2 16 and 2 12-inch planters, and they're growing food. They're small planters, and they have about 4 plants in each planter. Well, and they're doing great. They're showing signs of beauty like I've never seen before. And I'm looking for this summer season to really stimulate them to grow a lot of food. And that's why we're letting these vines grow. It's because Torpedopot will grow your food. It'll grow your food, dude. I wish you could smell this cucumber. Well, it smells so good. So remember, all I did was take my seeds and put them in this planter. All I did, take my seeds and put them in this planter. And then, are you telling me that I'll have seeds that I can plant next harvest? In other words, I will never run out of food. Is that a correct statement? That is a correct statement. You will never run out of food with Torpedo Pot. You will always have food. Follow our directions. Do the best you can in your region. We have the best growing tools in the world that will and can grow your food. You grow the food that is more friendly to the environment in which you live in. Okay? You don't grow food, you don't try to grow lettuce in the desert outside, right? You put it in a greenhouse. So you need to find the green leafy vegetables that are indigenous to those who want to use a little bit of energy. You don't need greenhouses to Torpedo Pot. You set them outside. And they do everything on their own. They don't require any human intervention. Oh yeah, dude, we're gonna have a lot of food. I'm looking for a really bountiful year. Oh my gosh, I'm looking for a really bountiful year with these cucumbers. Guys, these are Torpedo Pots. They grow your food with no human intervention. They do. And they do a great job. It's growing with the sunflower. Isn't that sunflower tree? I like that. All right, I'm gonna call it quits, and I'm gonna do a stand-up video so I can show you everything. And I'll talk to you guys later. Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com.